small light check. Got DK team 21, DK socials, DK kahn sprocket, regular KMC chain, my shadow chain broke, salt pedals, shadow raptor hub with hazardlight, 2 animal butchers, a maxxis holy roller with a primo rim to balance, and a raptor hub, DK RT forks, primo samsquatch bars, profile push topload, it's cracked, whatever, snafu gyro, odyyssey cables on Tektro brakes with fly pads. What else? Random kink seat, GLH in the back, hate it. You know, holy roller right now, it's temporary. Blew up my Aiken. Like it rides and breaks your dial, so it's all good.